Howdy folks, today we've got a really nice little 2012 Western Star 4900 sleeper truck. Big Detroit, DD15 power up front, paired up to a 18 speed Eaton Fuller. Dual fuel tanks, one of them being a split tank for your hydraulic fluid. Does have a dual line wet kit as well. 220-inch wheelbase. Air ride suspension. Knee deep 11R 24/5 rubber on aluminum rims all the way around. 14,000 pound front axle, 11,000 pound drop axle, 46,000 pound rears, air sliding fifth, aluminum half fenders. Really nice truck right here, folks. Double frame. True heavy haul truck. Set up right. If you like silver and aluminum, folks, this is the truck for you. She looks excellent out here in this sunlight. Folks, this truck is going to be one you do not want to miss. You can check it out here on our lot at 13601 Highway 45 North Finger, Tennessee. You can also check it out on our website, SouthernEquipmentLLC.com. That's Southern like I talk, equipment like you like, LLC.com. We sure appreciate y'all hanging around and watching our videos, and we look forward to you coming to see us.